this video, i-review natin itong newly discovered kong product from BREMOD. This is the BREMOD Complementary Color Hair Conditioner. I think this is intended for brassy hair kasi kapag katagalan na, kapag nag-color tayo, especially kapag nag-bleach tayo ng hair, syempre every day or every other day tayong nagsha-shampoo ay nag-fade out na yung color na nilagay natin. At ang labas or ang tendency is nagiging brassy yung buhok natin. And ito na yung purpose ng mga product na to, tulad ng Purple Shampoo, Purple Conditioner. This is supposed to reduce or eliminate the brassiness of our hair. And by the way, I got this from Shopee. This is only 68 pesos. 68 pesos for 100 ml of hair conditioner. This is available in 4 shades. Meron silang gray, cherry pink, and yung sa akin, which is the smoky purple gray, and the other one is the ayoki ash. So if you want to know my thoughts about this product, kung paano siya gamitin at kung effective ba siya, just keep on watching. Yung product at tingnan natin yung consistency niya. Consistency niya, parang regular conditioner lang talaga siya. So this is the ayoki ash, and this is the smoky purple gray. Okay, so ngayon kumuha ko ng portions ng ating hair. So etong part na to, lalagyan natin or mag-a-apply tayo ng smoky purple ash. And etong side naman na to, mag-a-apply tayo ng ayoki ash. So, ibababad lang natin to for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back. So, andito na yung buhok ko. So, pinatuyo ko na rin siya. And as you can see, naka-part pa rin siya. So, okay. So, ito siya guys sa malapitan. Ito yung ginamitan natin kanina ng smoky purple gray. And this one naman is the ayoki ash. So, hindi masyadong napipick up ng camera yung right color ng hair. So, too bad. Ito talaga yung smoky purple gray, makikita mo talaga nag-reduce talaga yung brassiness. But isang use pa lang naman, so I think if you use it regularly, mababawasan talaga yung pagiging brassy ng ating buhok. So I think this one, ito yung pipiliin ko, ito yung gusto kong gamitin. It's the smoky purple gray. So kukuha ko ng portion dito sa kabila kung saan wala akong nilagay na conditioner, then ipag-compare natin. Guys, alam kong hindi nyo masyadong nakikita, pero pag nakita ninyo in actual, etong part na to, na-reduce talaga yung brassiness niya. Okay guys, so isa-shampoo ko muna yung aking hair, and ito yung gagamitin ko as conditioner. Ito yung smoky purple gray, and ibababad ko siya ng, I think, 15 minutes. Hey guys, I'm back. So, inabot nga pala ako nung gabi, nung last video ko, so hindi ko na pinagpatuloy yung pagpe-film. But instead, it has been a week, so naka 3 uses na ako ng conditioner, and yung ginamit ko nga pala is the smoky purple gray. And ito yung naging result sa akin. Again guys, naka 3 uses na ako nitong conditioner. 1 week ko na siyang ginagamit and I use it every other day. And hindi ako gumagamit ng purple shampoo. Just a regular shampoo ko lang and this conditioner. For me, siguro if na-reduce na yung brassiness ng hair mo, pwede mo na siyang gamitin like once or twice a week. And I think this is also good to maintain hair color, especially if nasa ashy blonde side yung buhok natin. Pwede siyang gawing pang maintenance na rin para ma-retain natin yung color ng ating hair. At ang scent nga pala niya guys, Actually, mabango siya, kaya lang medyo natatapangan lang ako. Yung scent niya is parang men's perfume. Will I recommend this? Yes. Kasi first, it's affordable. For the price of 68 pesos, meron ka ng purple conditioner. And considering yung mga purple conditioner na nasa market ngayon, which is very pricey nga naman. The second is, it's effective. Kasi 3 uses lang na-reduce na talaga niya yung brassiness ng aking buhok. So, how much more if you use it regularly? And lastly, it is easy to use. Kasi nga, it's in the form of conditioner. Sa akin nga lang, pinababad ko siya ng not less than 10 minutes para mas makuha ko talaga yung maximum result niya sa aking hair. So that's it for this video. Sana ay may natutunan kayo about this BREMOD Complementary Color Hair Conditioner. And of course, sana ay na-enjoy nyo yung video na to. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up and pakisubscribe na rin kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe. And pakitap na rin itong bell icon so you will be notified every time na meron akong bagong upload. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you on the next video. Stay safe everyone. Bye!